What is a starter motor and how does it work? A starter motor is an electric motor used to initiate the operation of an internal combustion engine. It provides the initial rotational speed needed to turn the engine's crankshaft and start the engine. Structure and components. 1. Main components. Electric motor, a direct current, DC, motor that provides the rotational force. Solenoid, acts as a switch to transmit the electrical signal to the motor. Gear mechanism, connects the motor to the engine's flywheel, transferring the rotational force. Battery, supplies the power needed to operate the motor. How a starter motor works. 1. Turning the key or ignition. When you turn the ignition key or press the start button, an electrical signal is sent from the battery to the solenoid. 2. Solenoid activation. The solenoid activates and engages the gear mechanism, linking the motor's pinion gear to the engine's flywheel. 3. Cranking the engine. The motor spins the flywheel, providing the torque necessary to turn the engine's crankshaft and start the internal combustion process. 4. Automatic disengagement. Once the engine starts, the starter motor automatically disengages to prevent damage and stops drawing power from the battery. Importance and features. Without a starter motor, starting a large engine manually would be very difficult. The gear mechanism ensures that even a small battery can deliver enough torque to crank the engine effectively.